Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels video posting problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Go to manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. Check your internet or mobile data connection is stable. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels video posting problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.